Now, athletes and coaches in the sport of equestrian are excited to once again be in competition. This after recently getting the green light from the government. As we hear in this report from Denise Walters, there are 2 competitions already scheduled for later this month.
Despite not being able to compete as a result of the government's COVID-19 restrictions on sports, riders Azara Chin, Paloma Smith, as well as Joshua Perkis Williams are happy with the training they have received.
The classes were definitely smaller and we were able to come out more because, no school and not much things are open, so we definitely had more time to train.
It's been better. Since we have to social distance, I've gotten the opportunity to do more one-on-one lessons, so that's been very good. And I've been looking forward to the training show.
I've ride 2 to 4 times a week, so far I'm doing good with training.
Coach at HYDE Riding Academy, JULIAN HYDE, agrees.
We're very fortunate, our sport, with the fact that we were able to keep our social distance while coaching. As you see here, how far we are apart. So we were able to continue, especially with private lessons. So that's where we were able to get in some new riders.
One such rider is ZURI VACCA.
I've been doing it from last year, June. It's going very good. We have a training day and that's helping us get ready for it.
The 2 shows in Trelawney at the Good Hope Estate put on by Wade Sports Horses and the Equestrian and Polo Centre in St. Catherine, respectively. Sisters Azara and Amira are 2 riders who will be competing in Trelawney on June 19.
I'm definitely looking forward to it because I've only had one competition since COVID and the last one wasn't that great, but I've definitely worked harder to improve, to do better in this one.
I leased him, so I haven't been riding him for that long the first time I went, but I'm getting better and I'm ready to win a higher place.
Meanwhile, Williams and Smith are gearing up for the competition in St. Catherine at the end of the month.
Well, I'm really excited for that, and with all of the one-on-one lessons, I'm really excited to see what all the work I've put in has done.
We have a training day, which I'm quite excited for. It should be quite fun, and we're partnering up with Pony Club to do it, so it should be very fun. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.